Hi guys, welcome to the Raw Edge. I'm High Raw Nick,
And I'm Darren.
and we're here to show you a video on how to start a daily juicing habit. How to juice for immunity. You know, there's a lot of talk going around about coronavirus, about people are wanting to fortify their immune system, fortify your body's natural defenses against disease. And daily juicing is a really good habit to start if you want to improve your overall health. So this video is going to show you what kind of a juicer you might need, how to shop for produce, what kind of produce will make a great juice, and little tips on how to incorporate juice into your current diet.
So number one, invest in a quality juicer. So what does that mean? What's a quality juicer?
Well, our favorite is an omega juicer, just the horizontal. There's a vertical and a horizontal kind. I really like the horizontal for juicing greens. It's really good at getting that fiber through the machine. And it's a slow juicer, a slow masticating juicer, which is really important. It will really increase the quality of the juice that you're drinking, and make it more palatable and make it more nutritious.
Yeah, it doesn't oxygenate all the nutrients and all the good enzymes and really all the flavor and everything that you're trying to get when you spend your good money on produce. It's doing right by the produce to have a good quality slow juicer, right?
So it's an important investment. If you can't get a slow juicer, if you want to start out with something else, it will still give you benefit, but I would suggest jumping into the slow juicers. There's some higher quality ones as well. Green Star, I know, is a popular brand as well. We'll put some links in the description below to what are our picks for good juicers.
Norwalk is the one that I really want to.
Yeah, that's really high quality.
I've had a press, another option actually too, we haven't talked about this, but on some of the slow juicers, there's an insert where it doesn't actually put it under pressure and juice it, it just puts it through and masticates it, and then you can buy a separate manual press, put the pulp in bags, and then press it in there, and you'll get the same effect as a Norwalk juicer for about maybe a total investment of about $600 to $700, and it's labor intensive. It is, but that's some of the best juice, and you don't have to spend $2,000 plus on a machine, so that's nice.
So the second tip is going to be learn to shop for produce. Some people have asked me before, well, what do I need to start juicing? Do I need certain kind of powders or supplements or oils? And in my opinion, you can get everything that you need for a great juicing habit in the produce section. Fresh fruits, fresh vegetables. You need a good base for your juice. I would consider things like bok choy, cucumber, celery, carrot. Lots of these high nutrition, highly pigmented vegetables are really, really good.
And the base vegetables that aren't too expensive.
Yeah, good for the price too. Carrot's really good for the price. Celery really good for the price. Bok choy a little bit more expensive, but it tastes really, really good. Yeah. I love it.
But by the case, bok choy is usually pretty decent. But
a second thing you'll want to start juicing is greens and herbs. Things like kale, chard, cilantro, parsley have really, really good medicinal benefits.
They also they do boost your immunity too, definitely, and they help keep your breath nice and fresh. And
it helps you get really good mineralization with those dark greens. You'll also want to consider sweet fruit. My favorite is apple to add to the juice. You can add it to any juice to make it a little bit more sweet, a little bit more calories in it to make it more like a meal. And make it more palatable so you can enjoy drinking as much juice as you like.
And when it's in season, grapes and kale juice. That's pretty good.
Or oranges and pineapples.
Pineapple's
really, really, really good. I like making chard and pineapple or bok choy and pineapple, having a dark green and a sweet, pineapple's a vegetable, but a sweet fruit along with it to even out. Also citrus. We talked about orange juice right now, but citrus will help preserve the juice, keep it from oxidizing if you're not going to drink it immediately. Also really good for flavor.
Yeah, lemon, lime, and orange again as well. And then roots, tubers.
Things like ginger and turmeric, these are really, really important for immunity. Really great for anti-inflammatory. Really great for immunity boosting. Things like beet too. Really, really, really powerful stuff, and they're really good stuff to add to the juice as much as you can handle.
Turnips and sunchokes. All the radishes too.
Oh yeah, I haven't had that in a while.
Yeah, we need to
also garlic. Garlic's good.
Okay, so number 3. So taper your juicing. Just consider where you're coming from and where you want to go.
If you're just starting out with juicing, maybe a 16-ounce juice would be the place to start, or even 8 ounces a cup. As much as you can tolerate. You don't want to give yourself a stomach ache. If you're coming from a diet that has a lot of fast food in it or a lot of oily food, you want to ease into it and not shock your body with too much of a change. So
yeah, and you also want to get used to the physical act of juicing too. You don't want to spend, the first few juices that you're making, you're going to say, oh, I'm going to make a 64-ounce juice for myself. That's going to take you a very long time if it's the first few juices that you're making, and then you're also probably not going to feel your best, so it's just not going to be a great... So just manage it and incorporate it in a way that you're going to do consistently, right? Yeah.
And as you get more comfortable with juicing, you can start upping the amount that you have. I try to have at least 32 ounces of juice a day, and I feel really good when I do that, even upwards of 64 or 96 ounces of juice, depending.
Yeah.
The more you have, the more benefit you'll see, and the more you'll want to juice more.
Yeah. So number 4, mind your oral hygiene. Important, very important. Yeah, especially with citrus juice.
Yeah, orange juice. You want to make sure to rinse your mouth out with water after the orange juice or any kind of juice to promote good dental hygiene. You don't want to leave the juice in your mouth and you'll start to get like a little bit of, ow, my gums hurt. You haven't brushed your teeth enough. So make sure to stay on your oral hygiene game.
Yeah. Number 5.
Be consistent. Adding in a habit that you can do daily is what's going to help you see changes in your health, improvements in your immunity, improvements in your energy levels, improvements in your digestive health.
Yeah, it's not just what you give your body, but it's also the consistency, because your body is also going to act differently if it thinks it's going to get this on a regular basis.
All right, so that's the 5 tips on how to start a daily juicing habit, improve your immunity, improve your overall health, and improve your digestion. These are all really great benefits that Darren and I have experienced. We've been juicing for me for over 3 years, Darren for over, how long, 7 years?
8 years
Almost
now.
8 years. And we love it. We have juice every single day, as much as we like. And we hope that you can experience the same benefits as well. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to give it a like if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you know when we upload new content. So that's all for this video today. Check out some of the other videos on this channel. There's a wealth of knowledge on how to incorporate raw foods into your diet. Until next time, I'm Hyron.
And Darren. You're just still smiling like we're still going. Stop it.